Considering a career in the arts? Want to learn in an environment that embraces Māori practices and values? Need a supportive environment that encourages your personal exploration? Then kickstart your tertiary studies with Te Wānanga o Aotearoa and our Toi Maruata program and begin building a lifelong career in the arts. We'll teach you a broad range of toi, art techniques and skills through practical projects. You'll also learn about Te Ao Māori and its relationship to your identity. With the help of our experienced kaiako, you can use this program to develop a portfolio of work for entry into higher level arts programs or continue to develop your skills by contributing to your whānau, community or marae. This is a full-time program delivered over 20 weeks through tutorials and shared learning environments in noho and wānanga. You would need to have access to an internet-connected digital device to fully participate in this program. We're here to support your goals and success. Te Wānanga o Aotearoa offers a range of free services including student support, program support, online tools and access to our world-class facilities in the country. So come see us at one of our 80 sites around Aotearoa, or for more information, see our program details online at twoa.ac.nz. See you soon, e whā mā.